This old guy DIY video has to do with replacing the lawnmower blade spindle on the deck of a John Deere 240. I think this thing is from 1988 or 1989. Anyway, it serves the owner well. She called me the other day and said, this thing is making a heck of a noise. So I came over, and what I found, that thing's all wallowed out. So I'm going to pull the top off here, find out what's what. And to remove this from the mower, there were just 4 keys that had to be pulled out. So you have a big arm on each side here. And then there are arms that are hanging on the belly of the tractor that go through this hole and this hole over here. So it's just a matter of removing a couple of cotter keys. I jacked the front end of the mower up so I could pull that front arm assembly through. And now I just need to remove this cover first to find out what size bolt holes I have and see how badly worn out it is, or if it's a matter of just swapping a new spindle in. Based on the age, I suspected this was going to need an English socket, but in fact it's a 10mm socket for these little nuts. This is what the assembly looks like. It just rattles all around. When you first look at it, you think, oh, I'll pull that big nut off. But looking at the assembly that I got from eBay to replace it, looks like we just have to go under the deck and get these 4 nuts, and we'll have access to what we need. So now I'll flip the deck over. With the deck flipped over, it's really easy to see that shot bearing. You see how this blade wobbles around. This one's nice and tight. So this is a 16mm fastener. Once the 4 nuts are removed, just took 2 whacks with the BFH, the big friendly hammer. The hole still looks good, so it's just a matter of inserting the new spindle, tighten up 4 bolts, and we put her back together. I don't have any experience with these spindles, and as I was putting it together, I thought, boy, that'd be nice if it had a Zerk fitting. I can't believe they had lifetime greased bearings in the 80s. I looked, hey, Zerk fitting. Check this side, Zerk fitting. I'll go grab a grease gun. I gave each a Zerk 10 shots of grease. I don't see grease coming out anywhere. And then as long as I'm here, I decided to sharpen the blades. Now I'll put it back together. So I tucked the deck under the mower. And then I went on each side and I attached this big lift arm. And I did the other side first. Then I put the belt back in place. You see it goes to the drive from the motor and then back there. So now I'm going to use one of the 7 basic ballet movements. Put my leg up there, pull the lever down, which causes these arms to come down. And then I can hook the rest of the deck up. It's all buttoned up back together. Everything looks good. Hopefully this will provide her another 10 years of mowing happiness. Have a great day. The only tools I needed for this job were a slotted screwdriver and a needle nose to get the little clips off that hold the deck in place. And then to remove the blade itself, that was a 16mm socket. And the nuts that held the spindle into the deck were 13mm socket. So it's a pretty easy process. Took about 30 minutes including filming. Hope this little video helped you, and have a great day.